Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use premium stash tabs in Path of Exile. These special tabs offer fantastic ways to organize your items and streamline your trading. You can easily rename each tab to categorize your loot, perhaps for currency, maps, or specific build items. Plus, color coding helps you quickly identify what's inside at a glance, making your stash much more intuitive to navigate. Premium stash tabs are essential for trading with other players. You can make a tab public, allowing its contents to appear on the trade site. Simply right-click the tab and select the public option. Then, you can right-click individual items to set a specific price, or set a single buyout price for all items in the tab, making sales quick and efficient. Beyond basic customization, premium tabs offer advanced organizational tools. Stash tab affinities allow you to automatically sort specific item types, like currency or maps, into designated tabs with a simple control click. You can also create folders to group multiple tabs, keeping your specialized storage neat and easily accessible for different item categories. To truly maximize your stash efficiency, leverage remove-only tabs that appear after league merges. They offer free storage for items you might want later. Many players also use a dedicated dump tab, often a quad tab, for quickly emptying their inventory after farming. Regularly reviewing and consolidating your items ensures you maintain optimal space and organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.